Our weekend starts like this. Ay, grabe yung hangin. Yung sa kapitbahay namin na mga flower pot nila. Dahil sa lakas ng hangin na tutumba. Yung mga semento na yan ha. Yung mabibigat na flower pot. Hindi pwede talaga maglagay ng flower dito sa aming front yard. We are rearranging again. Yung TV rack namin na to, yung plano ko is doon sa kwarto ilagay kasi doon yung study table ni Mishka. Tapos yung isang box na hindi ko pa naaayos. Puro lahat yon mga books ni Mishka and wala akong paglalagyan ng mga libro niya, guys. So sabi ko ito na lang sa kwarto, yung speaker dyan ilagay para at least meron pa kaming additional na lagayan doon sa kwarto.
Look at you, you with your emerald eyes like fields of green I've never seen before. They take my breath away. I'm not one to lose my words, but baby, I don't know what to say. You can't begin to imagine what it's like, the way you make me feel so seen and scared at the same.
Malinis na yung aming dining area dito. Yung gusto ko talagang linisin is itong pintuan. Tapos dyan, yung sa taas. Kasi yung kulang dito sa kitchen na to, guys, is wala silang exhaust fan. So, I think, yung dating tenant dito, kapag nagluluto siya, ino-open niya ito. Tapos kami ngayon, yung window na lang yung ino-open namin para makalabas yung usok. Pero ito, yung nakalimutan siguro nilang linisin. Nung pagdating namin, nakita ko na talaga to. Sabi ko, lilinisin ko talaga to pag hindi na ako ganun ka-busy. Yan din yung sa taas. Oh. Ito ngayon yung aking gagawin dito. Try this Wookie Household Heart Stains Spray and Light.
With your emerald eyes like fields of green I've never seen before. They take my breath away. I'm not one to lose my words, but baby, I don't know what to say. You can't begin to imagine what it's like, the way you make me feel so seen and scared at the same time. It's hard to believe that you're mine, 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 oh mine. Baby, you're mine. In my life, baby, don't need much. A little bit of sun, a lot of your love could never make me sad.
Yung aming bagong pintuan. Medyo malinis-linis na siya. Siguro kailangan ko pang mag-second session dito sa paglilinis. Kasi yung iba matitigas talaga yung stain niya. Pero mas okay na to kumpara kanina. Tapos dyan din. Hirap matanggal niyan. Siguro brush. Gagawin ko next time. Hindi din kasi kami talaga makapagreklamo sa may-ari nito na hindi nalinis yung ganito, may sira yung ganito. Kasi wala na siyang time. Like, ngayong araw, umalis yung previous tenant nila. Tapos, the next day, nung umaga, dumating na kami dito. So, they only have one night para makapaglinis ng bahay before nga kami sumalo ng bahay na to. So, it's okay na. At least yung mga cabinets, yung sahig, malinis naman. Yung mga maliliit na lang na mga detalye yung kailangan. Pero kaya namang linisin. Nakapagluto na ako ng ano guys, ng kitchery. Plain and simple lang yung pagkain namin ngayon. Kasi yung mga kaibigan ni Abhi pupunta dito ngayon. No? What time they are coming?
By 2:30.
2 or 2:30. Tingnan niyo yung damit na Abhi. Nilagyan ni Mishka ng sticker. Look at your... Look at your sweater. Huh? Diba? Artist yung anak namin eh. So, ito na ngayon yung area namin dito ni Mishka, guys. Yan yung aking table, yung kanyang table. And maganda yung ganitong setup namin. Kasi habang nagtatrabaho ako dyan, siya din dito. May ginagawa kung ano-ano sa kanyang table. Tapos, ito na-arrange ko na yung aming patungan dito. Dito na side yung kanyang mga storybooks. Ito yung mga activity books niya para mas madali niya lang makuha. Then, dyan yung kanyang mesa. So, maganda na meron kaming area dito ngayon. Dito naman sa kabila, meron pang mga boxes. Itong dalawang box na to kasi guys, ito yung mga plates namin. Dalawang set yan. Yung isa regalo yan sa amin. Pinag-iisipan ko pa kung saan ko ilalagay yan or siguro maglalabas kami ng ilang piraso para magamit. Tapos ito na lang yung box. Isang box na lang. Yung paper bag. Tapos may isa pang bag dyan. Konti na lang naman yung laman. Ito naman ang yung kailangan kong ayusin. We are getting ready. We are going to meet his friend. Sa isang resort sila nag-book. So doon kami pupunta ngayon. I-meet namin sila. Dapat yung plano namin is pupunta kami sa falls, isang waterfalls. Pero, yun nga, dumating na sila. So, i-meet na lang muna namin sila. Then, later we'll see kung saan kami pupunta. We need to bring extra clothes. Di natin sigurado yung panahon. Yung iniisip ko, yung pinoproblema ko ngayon, kung saan yung aming raincoat ni Mishka. Pero yung naalala ko, last ko na nalagay yung sa sasakyan. So, maybe andun sa sasakyan. Sabi ni Abit, chinek niya kahapon, hindi niya daw makita doon. So, we'll check again mamaya. Kasi feeling ko andun talaga yun eh. One pair of clothes for me, for Mishka, for Abit. Mag-click kami. Very useful din itong pat-pat. Hanggang ngayon, gamit na gamit siya namin whenever we travel. Wear your jacket, love. Here you go.
Will it fit in your bag?
Yeah. See?
Why don't
We're going. We'll meet Daddy's friend. We're getting ready. Maliwanag na ngayon, guys. May sinag ng araw. So, hopefully, hindi umulan mamaya. Let's go. Mishi, don't go there. Come here. Outside. Outside na lang. Come on. Let's wait for Daddy here. we have reached. This is our friend Vinit. He is the guy who helped us pick our car from the dealership last time because he was not an expert driver that time, so he helped us.
After that, we are meeting now.
Yes, after
Oh
3
my.
years. Yeah, 3 years.
Oh.
And we both live in Bangalore. Is that how people meet in Bangalore after years? So this is their resort. Yan. We trekked from that side. Sobrang rough road, guys. Let's go. This is their view. Oh, nice. This is their homestay for tonight. Anne? Are you coming? Ay, go up. Go up. Nice. It's a villa. Quiet, the baby is sleeping. Ay, ang nice.
He's sleeping, she's coming.
Ang nice naman. Hi. This is Vinit's brother. What's your name again?
Vivek.
Vivek.
Right.
Vivek and Vinit.
Right.
Starts with letter V. This is dish from the north, Dalanya. What's the name of this?
It's called Ghevar. It's a special delicacy which is made in the
This
monsoon
one,
season.
Gewar.
Yes.
Traditional Gewar. And this is made during
Monsoon season.
monsoon season.
The reason being the specific shape it has to hold, the web-like structure. It only holds the shape during monsoon season when the moisture is retained in the air.
Okay. During summer,
It will melt off,
it will melt.
and
Okay.
during winters it will again be very difficult to make it in the
This form. So during monsoon lang daw ito ginagawa, guys. So kami lang dito yung natira, si Vinit and Abhi. Pumunta sa labas, bumili ng mga pang snack siguro. What's your name? Daddy is there. Daddy! What is that? Vitamin C?
D
Vitamin D.
and B.
What is that?
Slowly, slowly, slowly.
Give uncle also. 1 piece. Slowly, slowly. Meron na silang anak ngayon, guys. 1-year-old na yan.
Can you drink water?
Discuss baby brother ka, no?
One touch.
He's talkative.
तेरा मजा भी ये रोई को नहीं बोला बिस्का कौन है
What's your name? क्या नाम है? क्या नाम? Ah, he's smiling. Yeah, he's smiling. Ito yung kanilang homestay dito, guys. Parang villa siya. And then, inclusive na din yung kanilang pagkain. So, dito kami maghahapunan kasama sila. So, uwi na kami, guys. And then, on the way, napag-isipan ni Abel na kumain kami dito sa maliwanag na kainan na to. Kain muna kami dito, guys, before umuwi ng bahay. Ang daming tao ngayon kasi Saturday, weekend. Daming mga turista. Dito kami sa second floor. Ang nice pala dito sa taas.
chicken butter masala. 2 butter chicken. One butter naan.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Uncle, for the plate.
Hold on the airdrop.
Daddy, you don't say thank you to Uncle. Mishka is saying that.
Thank you, uncle.
Daddy, you're not saying thank you to Uncle. Pinagalitan pa ni Mishka sa app, hindi daw nagsasay thank you
And how
kay
to turn
Uncle.
on the airdrop, huh?
Kumain kami doon sa kaibigan ni Abby sa kanilang homestay. Pero hindi ko nang kadami yung kinain namin kasi nahihiya naman kami kasi yung booking nila is for 3 persons lang. So parang additional na kami ni Abby doon na kumain. So pakonti-konti lang yung kinain namin. So dumaan kami dito ngayon para kumain ng aming additional na pagkain. Want to eat? Okay. First order, fish fry. Parang bulaw ata ito sa atin. Diretso na kami main course, hindi na kami nag-appetizer pa. Butter chicken and butter naan. Thank you. You want sushi? No, no. Okay. Say thank you, Uncle. I'll give one for butter naan lang yan si Mishka eh. Thank you. For Gudapa. Give one to Gudapa. Pizza for Mimi. Indian pizza. Kain tayo, guys. See? Yeah, pizza. We were eating this last time, na. Meron pa kaming nadaanan na nagtitinda ng kamatis. Bumili na lang kami, guys, kasi konti lang yung kamatis namin dun sa bahay. So, 3 kilos for 100 rupees. Ang lamig-lamig. Kahit naka-long sleeve na kami. Ang lamig pa din, guys. Come on. Hold mama. This side lang. So, yung plano namin is kukunin namin yung sasakyan. Doon nakapark sa opisina nila ni Abhi. Iniwan kasi namin yung scooter doon sa homestay ng kaibigan ni Abhi. Kasi hindi maganda yung daan, tas madilim na. So, for safety, hindi namin dinala. Bukas na lang namin kukunin doon. We are back home. Our living room is so blue. We are using the blue lights. Tingnan nyo, nag-glow in the dark yung yellow at pink. Movie night kami ngayon. 9:20 ng gabi. So, makakanood pa kami ng movie. On the way, si Mishka nakatulog. So, may energy pa yan siya ngayon. And anyway, it's weekend.